Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so CES has wrapped up. We are on our last day here, and I just wanted to do a video addressing, unfortunately, a little bit of lack of content that we've had throughout CES, especially from past years. The first two videos did amazing on the channel for the CES contact, the Samsung first look, and that wasn't even everything Samsung had to offer. We did cover more of what they had, but we didn't get to put a lot of content out. Those reasons are twofold. First of all, the CES bug caught me a little bit sooner than normal, and honestly, my voice was in and out throughout the week. And although we did have a new person shooting for most of this week, I was the one who had to do most of the editing, and of course that would require voiceover, which my voice was shot almost every night, so didn't get to do as much as I would like. Secondly, had some family things come up, and I definitely had to address them right away. So because of that, our CES content has been delayed. Now, will we have CES content? Will we have Mobile Weekly? Yes, on both counts. So first of all, CES content will be coming out all next week, and we have some really interesting things that I can tell you. I've seen all the CES coverage no one has covered. So really excited to really see a lot of things that we'll be showing you guys, including two ones which has to do with even modularity in homes and the overall smart home that I fell in love with. And then also a new player in the audio game that are from past Sony executives that just completely blew me away with the quality of what they had and price that they have. So really looking forward to those companies. We will be doing videos on those. We've recorded it, just need to do the voiceover and bring all the content together. And we will be having Mobile Weekly, but not on Sunday, unfortunately, just because of this whole week, and I just need a day. So I'm going to be driving in tomorrow, going to rest up, and then Monday at a special time, 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we will have Mobile Weekly. So we will be covering it, but we will have a day late just because of everything CES has had to offer. And then Tuesday through Friday, you're going to be at least seeing 1 to 2 videos each day of all the CES content that we saw. Again, including some special stuff that no one else has talked about. Finally, I want to end off with, yes, Samsung Unpacked has been announced. We might do a separate video of it, but of course, as always, we did get the contact information. We're assured this person's will be the exact people we need to talk to for getting the Samsung Unpacked, so we'll have to wait and see if we get to go in February. And if we do, as always, if we attend our first Samsung Unpacked, we will be giving away a Galaxy S10. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Thank you again, as always, for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.